As a professional painter, we utilize the 6-inch drywall taping knives a lot for repairs. So all 4 of these knives are great. We've used them all. The slight differences here are the handles. Some have a little more grip, rubber on them as well. We really like the handle on these two. So the handle allows for good grip, especially when you're working on stilts, when you're grabbing mud, there's always moisture on your hands. So we really like the grip on this one. So out of all 4 of these knives, we really prefer the SuperFlexx. It really has a very nice handle, it has a good grip, and the flex is something that I really enjoy while taping and doing patches because it allows you to really feather your edges. So feathering your edges on a patch gives you less sanding, a smoother finish all in, and just keeps the efficiency of the job going. There's, a lot more control with this knife. Like I could leave more pressure, or I can apply more pressure to remove more material, and I can really just feather that edge when it comes to this taping knife.